Good evening, students. Today I want to discuss something about the sentences. Suppose first of all I would like to tell you, if we want to learn anything, any new subject, then what thing must be learned first? Letters. How many? Suppose we have to learn English. So how many letters are there in English? 26. There are, out of them 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. 2 are semivowels, Y and W, and rest are consonants. So after learning letter or alphabets, what do we start? We start learning words. What do you mean by word? Word is a group of letters which makes a meaningful sense. And for making words, we must either have vowels or vowel sound, or we can say we must have either vowel or semi-vowel, like try, fry, cat, bat, etc. Now after learning words, we start to learn sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives proper meaning. Like in word we must have vowel or semi-vowel, in the same way in sentence we must have verb. Without verb we cannot frame any sentence. So that's why verb is known as the strongest part of speech. I'm not saying that other part of speech are not important, but verb is the strongest part of speech. So how many types of sentences are there? There are 4 types of sentences. First is assertive, second is imperative, third is interrogative, fourth is exclamatory. So first of all I want to tell you about assertive sentence. Assertive, the sentence which is used for assertion is known as assertive sentence. It takes full stop after the sentence. It is also known as declarative or simple sentence, like I am reading a newspaper, he is going to school, and so on. Second type of sentence is interrogative. So what is interrogative sentence? The sentence which is used to ask a question. The sentence which is used to ask a question, and it takes question mark after the sentence. There are 2 types of interrogatives. First is starting from WH word, and second is starting from helping verb. The questions which starts from helping verb, they are also known as yes or no type of questions, like have you done your work? Yes or no. Do you live in Delhi? Yes or no. Understood? And the second type of question, like WH, we cannot say them, we cannot answer these questions in yes or no. Like what is your name? We cannot answer it in yes or no. Okay. So third type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences which are used to give order, suggestion, or making request. It also takes full stop after the sentence. Then how will you identify the imperative and assertive? 3 features are there of imperative. It does not have subject. It starts from first phase form of the verb. It starts from please, don't, etc. Like open the door, close the window, please give me your pen, don't cry. These are imperative sentences. Exclamatory sentence, the sentence which are used to express some sudden strong feeling, like hurrah, alas, and it takes exclamation sign. Exclamation can be put on the after the sentence or after the exclamatory word, like hurrah, exclamatory word, then we have won the match. Alas, exclamatory sign, after that we have lost the match. Or what a beautiful building, what a tall building it is, sign of exclamation will be in the end. Now I think so all of you understood now about the kind of sentences. 4 types of sentences are there: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. That is all.